Good morning. I hope you all are doing fine. I am posting the answers for the math pages 70 through 72. I will also be posting a video Monday about how to multiply fractions to help with the math book pages. We will now be using only the math book starting next week. There will be no more math worksheets. And so no worksheets, but the book is what we will be using for the rest of the year. If you have had trouble with the pages 70 through 72 or 73, please practice your facts. Go to Reflex, go to Excel, and you need to be practicing your facts. I know that the newsletter said not to go on fractions, but if you need help simplifying, that's what you need to be doing. I'm going to show you the answers now, and before I end the post, I will also be asking you a couple questions about the math. We will be doing a Zoom hopefully next week. The answers are, as you can see, number 1, 1 2/7, number 2, 1/2, number 3, 2/5, number 4, 1 1/2, number 5, 1 1/2, number 6, 1/2, number 7, 1 1/3, number 8, 1, number 9, 4/9, number 10, 5/7, number 11, 3/5, and number 12, 2/5. Page 71, 1/7, 1/2, 1/5, 1/4, 1/3, 1/10, 1/12, 1/2, 2/5, 4/9, 2/5, 3/4, 1/2. Remember that when you're doing problems like number 5, 11 twelfths minus 7 twelfths, you're going to get 4/12. So now that you have 4/12, you have to simplify it. Again, a lot of you like to use the models. That's awesome. Please, you need to remember your facts, and when you're simplifying, look at the top number. If it can go into the bottom one, then you are simplifying using that number. The same thing goes for number 10. 14 minus 8 would be 6. And 6/15 can be divided by 3. 6 can't go into 15, but if you know your facts, you know 3 does. So then you come up with the answer, simplify 2/5. You are adding, but in order to do that, they have unlike denominators, so therefore you have to change them. Sometimes it's easier to just write the multiples, and then you can see the first one that they have the same would be the lowest common denominator. On problems like number 4, you ended up with a top-heavy number, so you had to change it to 1 1/2. Again, if you're having trouble with these problems, I'll be going over another little review on Monday before we start multiplying fractions. But the easiest way is to make sure that you do know your multiples. And remember, multiples are just that. They're the multiplication facts. If they ask you for a factor, it's the numbers that go into that number evenly. The factors of 6 would be 1, 2, 3, and 6. The multiples would be, of course, 6, 12, 18, etc. Okay, I think right now that is what I'm going to stop with, and I will either be posting another language arts or a math later today, probably another math one, just to keep us on task, and it might just be a little fun activity. Anyway, have a great day. Goodbye.